Correct design and construction of benches and slopes is vital for successful, safe excavation and economic optimisation of a high wall. Inter-ramp compliance allows you to report on bench widths and slope angles and track compliance to design. Simply enter CAD strings of toes, crests, backbreak and muck or rill piles, and the tool does the rest. Data is divided into virtual strips and the relevant statistics are calculated. You can define how many cross sections you'd like in your PDF report, while the result summary uses all of the virtual strips to ensure an abundance of data. Quickly see if angles of walls and widths of benches are within specified tolerances, and identify areas of concern. The easy-to-use tool delivers both 3D visual and statistical results, along with heat maps which clearly illustrate compliance based on colour legends. The addition of Inter-ramp compliance to Maptek's Point Cloud modelling and analysis package Point Studio means operations can ensure safe and efficient processes are followed. Contact your local Maptek office today to find out more.